Okay, so now we're going to clean around Marley's tube site. Simple things here. We've got some cotton bud, we've got some medical tape, some scissors, we've got 100 by 100 mil or 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter dressing. We've got some pre-boiled water that's been allowed to cool, and then we've got some diluted iodine. Your vet might suggest a different cleaning liquid, but that's what they've suggested to us. So that's what we use. Okay, so super simple, doesn't take any time at all. Reveal Marley's site there, and then going to get some cotton bud, dip it in the iodine or iodine, and then we'll just go around the site, just like so. Start at the bottom, and then we'll do the top, just like this, and you just want to be getting in there as close as you can. And then to get the sides, we'll just rotate that 90 degrees and then get in the sides there. Just like that, like so. There we go. I'll just do one more pass with the iodine. Go, and just the same. I like to start at the bottom, and then I'll do the top. Marley's quite furry, so it takes a little time to just make sure you've got everything covered. Obviously with short hair dogs, probably take less time and be easier. But yeah, it's super straightforward. Just make sure you go, just get all around that site there. Okay, then once you finish with the iodine, you want to use some of your pre-boiled cool water to just clean off all of that iodine now. There we go. And just the same, exactly the same method, just with water. So we just get all the way around it. Bottom, top, rotate the port, and then we do the sides. Just like so. There we go. And we'll do one more pass with water just to make sure we've got all that iodine off. Hang on, buddy. There we go, and then the last step for the cleaning is to get all the liquid away. So you want to just dry them off as best you can. And it's exactly the same method, just with a dry cotton bud instead of a wet one. We use some clippers to just shave around Marley's site here. Every now and again, as you can tell, he's quite a big furry dog. So keeping his hair a little bit shorter around the side here just helps for manageability. So, and just do one more. Make sure it's all nice and dry. Again, super simple. Marley's not bothered at all. He doesn't even move. Stays in one place. He knows you're taking care of him. He knows you're doing him a favor. There we go, looking good. Now, the dressing, we tried to fix this to Marley so many different ways, but the best way we found was to basically open it up, and then they're probably all different, but the shiny side on these ones is meant to go against his skin. So what I do is flip it over. I've got the non-shiny or satin side, I guess, facing out. And then I take the scissors and just right in the middle here on the fold, I'll just do a little cut. It's about 1.5 centimeters or so. Like that. And then open it up. So you've got this little hole here. Basically what I do is just feed his port straight through there, like so. Just like that. And then I'll rotate it 90 degrees so that the port is now not going the same way as the cut. So you can see there, the port's running horizontally and the cut is vertical. And then get some of your medical tape. I normally have to take my gloves off at this point because the tape sticks really badly to the gloves. But at this point you shouldn't really be touching around the site anyways. Just tear off a little strip like so. And we're just going to stick that right on there. So that way, the dressing should never come off. And then to give it a little bit of extra protection, again, this is totally down to your own personal wants or needs, but I'll just tape the ends closed just to give it a little extra protection. Marley spends a lot of time outside. So, here we go. Tape that one, just make sure you're not getting his hair or anything in there. There we go, and that's done. Let me just bring his shirt back over. Make sure he's all comfy, all sorted, ready to get back to his adventures. Right, there we go, buddy. All clean. He's all finished. He's all finished.
Good boy, Marley. Good boy, darling.
Good boy.
Good boy. You clever boy.
Good boy, Mom. Okay.